Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Samp P 500 futures part ways from Wall Street gains amid risk reset. http ntvforex.com news ID 706B10 0112 GMT. Biannual Panchal Samp P 500 futures snap 2-day winning streak, recede from late February high. The escalation in the US-China tussle attack vaccine-led optimism. China's GDP, ECB, and US retail sales will be the key during the busy day. Samp P 500 futures dropped to 3,210, down 0.28%, during the initial hour of Tokyo Open on Thursday. The risk gauge surged to the highest since February 25 on Tuesday amid increasing odds of the coronavirus COVID-19 cure. Though, the latest developments on the Sino-American story pulled the sentiment index down after rising for 2 consecutive days. The New York Times came out with the news suggesting that Trump administration is considering a sweeping ban on travel to the United States by members of the Chinese Communist Party and their families, according to people familiar with the proposal, a move that would almost certainly prompt retaliation against Americans seeking to enter or remain in China and exacerbate tensions between the two nations. Before that, White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows announced the Trump administration's study on national security risks emanating from Chinese apps like TikTok and WeChat. On the other hand, China's Global Times also showed readiness to engage in hand-to-hand combat with the world's largest economy to safeguard their city before the latest rest. The market's risk tone remained upbeat over the multiple signals, from the US policymakers, UK scientists, and companies like Moderna, favoring the vaccine's nearby arrival. Also supporting the equities was increasing hopes of further stimulus from the global policymakers and weaker US dollar. Against this backdrop, the Wall Street benchmarks managed to post another positive day while the US 10-year Treasury yields seemed to pause their recent recovery moves around 0.63%. While qualitative catalysts are likely to keep the drivers keep, China's Q2 GDP, monetary policy meeting by the European Central Bank ECB and US retail sales for June will be the key events to watch during the busy day. While most data suggest upbeat outcomes and could add strength to the market's trading sentiment, fears of the escalation in the US-China tussle and the ECB's anticipated dovish tone might guard the optimism. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.